Welcome, students. We are discussing one act play, The Proposal. In the previous section, we have seen that there was a warm discussion between Chupkov and Lomov, and both were trying to prove that whose dog is superior. Squeezer is superior or Guess is superior. So, after the hot discussion between Chupkov and Lomov, the condition of uh, Lomov was not good. He felt uncomfortable, and after that, you see, Chupkov also says that I am sick, I cannot breathe air. So condition of Chupkov was not also good. In the meantime, Natalia speaks, he is dead. Here he refers to Lomov, pulls Lomov's sleeve. Ivan, Ivan, what have you done to me? He is dead. Falls into an armchair. A doctor, hysterics. So here you see the condition of Natalia when she comes to know that, or you can say when she realizes that Lomov is no more, then she cries, he is dead, he is dead. She tries to wake up Ivan. She calls Ivan, Ivan, but there was no reply, and she believes that Lomov is no more. She falls into an armchair and she calls a doctor, a doctor. Chupko, oh, what is it? What's the matter? Why are you calling doctor, doctor? Natalia wails. Natalia starts weeping. She starts crying. He is dead, dead, dead. So here you see, Natalia was shocked when she saw that the condition of Lomov was not up to the mark, was not good. She felt uncomfortable. She started crying. She says, he is dead, he is dead. Chupkov says, who is dead? Looks at Lomov. So he is. My word, water, doctor. Lifts a tumbler to Lomov's mouth. Drink this. No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead. And all that. I am the most unhappy man of men. Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Why have not I cut my throat yet? What am I waiting for? Give me a knife, give me a pistol. Lomov moves. He seems to be coming round. Drink some water, that's his right. So here you see, Chupkov also feels unhappy when he saw the condition of Lomov, who appears dead. Natalia believes that Lomov is no more, and when Chupkov comes to know it, you see the reaction of Chupkov. He says, who is dead? Looks at Lomov. He is looking towards Lomov and says, who is dead? He is, my word, my water, a doctor. He brings water, drink this. No, he doesn't drink. It means he is dead. And all that. After that, you see, I am the most unhappy of men. Why don't I put a bullet into my brain? Why haven't I cut my throat yet? That was the reaction of Chupkov when he looked towards Lomov. Okay, he is regretting. What am I waiting for? Give me a knife, give me a pistol. Lomov moves. In the meantime, Lomov moves. He seems to be coming round. He is becoming alive. He seems to be coming round. Drink some water. That is right. Okay, you drink water. That was the reaction of Chupko we have seen. After that, you see, Lomov, I see stars. Mist, where am I? Okay, so before this event, means when Lomov becomes alive, before this incident, What were the condition of what were the condition of Chupkov and Natalia we have seen? Both were worried. Earlier, they were quarreling with Lomov. Lomov, Natalia, and Chupkov all were quarrelsome. But after seeing the condition of Lomov, what happened? All were worried. Natalia and Chupkov were worried about Lomov. In the meantime, Lomov becomes alive and says, I see stars, mist, where am I? Chupkov, hurry up and get married. Chupkov says, okay, get up, hurry up and get married. And well, to the devil with you. Well, to the devil with you, she is willing. She is willing means Natalia wants to marry you. Hurry up, get married. He puts Lomov's hand into his daughter's. So Chupkov was ready for this union, for this marriage. She is willing and all that. I give you my blessing and so on. I am ready. I am blessed. I am pleased. I am giving my daughter's hand into your hands. Only leave me in peace, okay? Leave me in peace. Lomov getting up. Oh, what? To whom? To whom you are saying to marry? Chupko, she is willing. She has a desire to marry you. Well, kiss and be damned to you. Chupkov says, okay, she is willing to marry you. Okay, kiss and be damned to you. Natalia wails. Again, Natalia starts wailing. He is alive. Yes, yes, I am willing. I am willing. I am willing for what? I am willing to marry you. Natalia says, I am willing to marry you. Okay. So here in this part we have seen that Chupkov was encouraging or inspiring Lomov to marry his daughter. Chupkov says that Natalia has a desire to marry you. She is willing. Kiss her and do marriage. She is willing. Natalia again starts willing. She becomes happy. He is alive. He is alive. I am willing. I am willing. I am willing to marry him. Chupkov kiss each other. Lomov kiss whom? They kiss. Very nice to excuse me. What is it all about? Oh, now I understand. My heart stars. I am happy. Natalia kisses her hand. My foot has gone to sleep. Natalia. Oh, I am happy too. Chupko, what a weight of my shoulders off. Chupkov became happy. He desired for peace. He got peace after deciding to marry his daughter to Lomov. After that, Chupkov became happy. He felt comfortable. Natalia, but still you will admit now that guess is worse than squeeze. Again, Natalia says, but you accept this one. Natalia says, you accept this one. Guess is worse than squeezer. Means squeezer is better than guess. Meaning is this, you see, they were quarreling over petty issues. Natalia and Lomov were ready to marry, but Natalia says one thing, you have to admit, you should accept this, that squeezer is better than the guess. Lomov says again, better. Natalia says, worse. Again they are fighting. Chupkov, well, that is a way to start your family bliss. Have some champagne. Lomov, he is better. He is better means, guess is better than Squeezer. Natalia says, no, no, no. Worse, worse, worse. Squeezer is better than, guess. Chupkov trying to shout her down. Champagne, champagne. He is crying champagne, champagne. Okay. Now the curtain comes down. So here you see that the play, one act play, ends with a happy ending. The play has a happy ending. Natalia and Lomov married. Chupkov was ready to marry his daughter to Lomov. Natalia and Lomov were ready to marry. But at the end we see that both were fighting, both were quarreling, only to prove that their dog is superior. Natalia says that her dog, Squeezer, is better than Guess. Lomov wants to prove that Guess is better than Squeezer. You see, at the end of the play, we notice that Natalia is saying, worse, worse, worse. Means, Guess is not better than Squeezer. And Lomov says, no better. So, play ends with this note. But the play has happy ending. In spite of quarreling over petty issues, marriage takes place. Marriage takes place. Okay. So that is all about this one act play, The Proposal. In the whole play, you have noticed that there were three major characters. First is Chupkov, second one is Natalia, third one is Lomov. All were quarrelsome. They quarreled over petty issues. Two issues were given in the play. First one is Oxen Meadows, and second one is dog. So they quarreled over these two petty issues, and we have seen why Lomov had come to Chupkov's house. What was his purpose? Okay, we have seen. One thing remember, Lomov's and Chupkov's both were wealthy family. That was the first thing which we have to keep in mind. In spite of quarreling, Chupkov was ready to marry his daughter to Lomov. The reason is very clear. Both families were rich, wealthy. And the beginning we have seen, by marrying, they could increase their estate, their property. Okay, so that's why this is the reason why the marriage took place between Natalia एंड लोमोव. तो इस पूरे प्ले में हम देखते हैं, और स्पेशली इस सेक्शन में, लास्ट सेक्शन में, कि नाटालिया ये डिक्लेयर करती है कि लोमोव क्या है, डेड हो गया है. लोमोव इज डेड. चुपकोव भी देखता है, उसको पानी देता है, पानी पी ले, लेकिन कोई मूवमेंट नहीं होती है लोमोव में, तो वही मान लेता है ये क्या है, डेड है, क्योंकि पानी नहीं पी रहा है, इसलिए लोमोव क्या है, डेड है. और इसके बाद चुपकोव जो है अपने आप को कर्स करने लगता है. ओके, इसके बाद हम देखते हैं किसी बीच लोमोव जो है उठता है, पानी पीने लगता है. नाटालिया कहती है बहुत खुशी की बात है, लोमोव जिंदा है. इसका चुपकोव जो है एग्री करता है नाटालिया को लोगों के साथ भेजने के लिए, उसके साथ शादी करने के लिए, मैरिज करने के लिए, दोनों खुश होते हैं। और लेकिन प्ले के अंत में भी हम देखते हैं कि दोनों मीन्स लोमोव और नाटालिया दोनों ही इस बात पे आर्ग्यू करते रहते हैं कि किसका डॉग सुपीरियर है, गेस या स्क्वीज़र। फाइनली प्ले एंड हो जाता है, लेकिन दोनों के जो झगड़े हैं वो अंत नहीं होता है, क्योंकि दोनों ही जो फैमिली है, लोमोव्स एंड चुपकोव्स, क्वेरलसम है, वेल्दी हैं और अपनी स्टेट को बढ़ा सकते हैं बाई मैरिज, एंड दे डिड इट हियर। ओके, द प्ले एंड्स विथ marriage union. Marriage union took place between Natalia and Lomov. So this is the light part of this play, and the play is full of comedy. Laughter is there also. So laughing note, you must remember, there is a laughing note also in the play, one act play we have seen. So that is the part which we have discussed. Okay, so that is very important, which we have discussed. Okay, thank you.